Hello chemistry fans, and welcome back to chemistry problem solving session here at Broward College North Campus. I am your host, Dr. Russell Betts, and I am here to guide you through this problem. Below are drawings of portions of amylose and cellulose. Describe the glycosidic bonds found in each polysaccharide. What structural feature of these polysaccharides could account for amylose being digestible by humans while cellulose is not? And folks, I made a little typo there. I'll get rid of it for the binder problems, but on the video it'll be there. You'll have to deal with it. Okay, let's do the first question first. Let's describe the glycosidic bond of each polysaccharide. All right, so I'm going to just let you in some information. All these glycosidic bonds are the same. So all we got to do is name one of them. So let's just name this one right here. So the first thing we got to do, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So now find the anomeric carbon. There's only one in this glycosidic bond. There's only one, so it's right here, and the oxygen is pointing down. Right? So here's my anomeric carbon. The oxygen is pointing down, so this is alpha. Right? I hope everyone understands that. Find the anomeric carbon. Oxygen is pointing down. It's alpha. So this is an alpha 1, 4 glycosidic bond. All right. Let's go down to cellulose now. Again, I'm going to let you know a secret. All these glycosidic bonds are the same, so we only have to name one of them. Let's use a different color for this. Let's just describe that one. So we have to number the carbons first, right? First things first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Find the anomeric carbon. There's only one on cellulose in the glycosidic bond. Here. So there's my anomeric carbon. And now the oxygen here is pointing up. So this is beta. So this is a beta 1, 4 glycosidic. It's a beta 1, 4 glycosidic bond. Now, you may not have noticed, but this sugar and that sugar are the same. They're both made of glucose. Amylose and cellulose are both made of glucose. One more time. Let's hammer that point home. Amylose and cellulose are both made of glucose. That's fabulous. They're both made of the same thing. But now this one is digestible by humans. This one is not. And what's accounting for that? What's the problem? Why can't one be digested and the other one can? It's the glycosidic bond. In cellulose, the glycosidic bond is beta. In amylose, it's alpha. We have an enzyme that's designed to break up amylose into glucose. We do not have an enzyme that breaks up cellulose. We just don't have one. And the only difference between here and here is the direction of that bond. In amylose, the glycosidic bond is alpha, pointing down. In cellulose, the glycosidic bond is beta, points up. That's the only difference, but that's all it takes to make the enzyme that digests amylose not even recognize cellulose. I think that's pretty cool. So, if you had any trouble with this explanation or you don't like the explanation, feel free to contact one of the tutors here at the Academic Success Center or come on by and see me during office hours. Be happy to help. Other than that, I'd like to say good luck and good chemistry.